Barrique.
Now repeat yourself.
Barrique. Barrique.
Barrique is a French term that is used to describe a small wine barrel which is usually made of oak. A barrique or a wine barrel is an integral part of the traditional wine-making process in the Bordeaux region of France and in many other parts of the world. Like other barrels, barriques are used to age wine after fermentation. This process improves the flavor, shade, surface and tanning profile of the wine. As a result, wines aged in a barrique have unique characteristics. The three most common types of barriques include a Bordeaux barrels, Burgundy-style barrels and New World wine barrels. These barrels range in capacity and can hold between 200 and 300 liters of wine, approximately 59 to 79 gallons. Smaller containers are believed to have a larger impact on the process of aging wine. So, the size and shape of a barrique make it different from other oak barrels. Barriques are usually smaller in size and have a specific shape that is typically taller than other barrels.
Barrique. Barrique.